This is how excited I am. My hair is still wet. I am in the car. I had to run my son to the doctor's this morning. He's been getting these terrible leg cramps that won't go away. So I had to take him to the doctor's, and my Club EP box, Echo Park, has arrived. And it's my first ever Club Echo Park box. So I'm kind of excited about that because I have so much Echo Park paper. So I thought it'd be a really good way to kind of get it inspired to use their paper, and I love the Kiwi Club, and I really wanted looking and thinking about joining another club. And when I saw their club and I love their paper and such, I figured it was time. So this is my first one. So I was going to film it when I get home, but I figured, you know what, let me just grab it and throw it in the car with me, because I can't go in with my son anyway because they don't allow people to go with people right now. So I am going to open it up right in the car. So we're going to try and do this anyway. Alright, so let me flip the camera around. It's actually a brand new facility. It's we're in Hamilton, New Jersey, and it's the new Capitol Health building in Bordentown. They're literally still building it. Kind of cool. But anyway, so let me, of course I don't have scissors or anything here. Maybe do, but let's see. We're going to use the key. Ugh. Hold on. Let's get this tape broken, and then I can get you to the box. Alright. Okay. Let's see what goodness we have. I love that the box is so cute too, and pink. Is there tape on the side too? There is a tape on the side. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Tape on the side too. We got it all? Alright, now we got it all. Okay. Now the tape is gone. Now we can open it. Now the magic. Oh, a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Alright, there we go. Ta-da! Alright, so this is introducing you to their new Christmas Lumberjack collection. And their new Halloween Market collection. Cute. Hello Autumn Inspiration. September 2020 kit. So some things you can do with it. Cute. So some different projects and the links to go to for the directions. Super cute. Like. Alright, see, are we ready? To pull the gold foil tab back. How cute is that? Look how pretty. Who doesn't love fall? Fall, oh my gosh, just love fall. So we have ephemera and enamel dots. Such pretty colors. I love these colors. And then puppy stickers. Cute little squirrel. Give thanks in all things. Gather. Fall is here. Home sweet home. I like the little pennants in the bottom. Hello fall. Memories. Fall is the best. My favorite color is October. Let's gather together. Cute little pumpkin pie. Those are very cute. I like how the little kind of like painted. And the little leaves. Really, really cute. A little 6x6 paper pad. We'll go through that in a minute. And we'll go through the ephemera too in a minute. Chipboard. Home sweet home. I love the little truck. Now, of course, Kiwi Lane has a little truck template, which would be perfect. I'm sure many of you have die cuts or Cricut cuts to match, so you can cut out little die cuts too. And pumpkin die cuts. Cute pumpkins. Cute. And little, I do like these little pennants. Cute. Thanks in all things. Gather. I just love the little squirrel. Nice. Tree. I really like that. So very grateful. Nice. Chipboard. All right, we'll look at the paper packet in a minute, and then we have our actual paper kit, and I guess that is it. What was that? A second, just want to make sure there's nothing underneath. No, that's it. All right, and then we have the paper kit. So let's take a look at the paper, the 6x6 paper pack. Can I open this and much with my nail? Don't know if I can. Hold on. Use my other hand. Hold on. Use your hand to hold it and your hand to open it. Coming right back. I didn't know I can do that. Oh my gosh. It's like a big sticker seal on here. Alright, I'm getting it now. It's working. Alright, got it. Okay. And it's really it's good how it's coming up. It's not ripping my cover. It's nice and clean coming off, so it's not destroying anything. So I can just take that and fold it, stick it to the back. Not gonna hurt anything in my paper. Alright, let's see this beautiful paper. Flowers. Love, love. I love it how it's these true colors, but it's not like so dark like a lot of fall tends to be. And little X's in the back. That's pretty with a rainbow. The red. The leaves. The pies. That's adorable. Oh, so cute. I love the apples in the basket. Look at these colors, like a sage green, leaves and acorns. This is a really pretty paper pack. And the quality of these cardstock. Little acorns, apples, harvest, pumpkin scarves, colors, crisp air, sweaters, fuzzy, cute. Orange on the back. Full, grateful hearts, pumpkin spice and everything nice. Home sweet home. Pumpkins 25 cents. Sweater weather, better together. Cute, cute, cute. Nice, I like that. I like how the backs have this more subtle pattern and the busier pattern on the bottom. Orange plaid. Look at those pumpkins. Oh my gosh, I love that like sagey green, bluey green. The little tags are full favorites. Gather, pumpkin spice, something nice. Just enjoy all of our lovely, enjoying all of our lovely fall days. Hello fall. Oh, cute. Perfect for a fall drive. Look at that. Perfect for my Lancaster pictures. Fall leaves. Plaid. I think we're going to the second cycle, yes. So now it's going to go back around again. Same colors. I love that. Then you get two of each. So pretty. Oops. All right, let's see what we got in our ephemera, and then we'll go to the paper pack. I already have some really cute ideas that are coming to mind with the Key Lane pumpkin template. Well, actually not the pumpkin. If you use like an oval, like two pumpkins, which will look cute, how they have these lines on their pumpkins. That's cute. Alright, let's see. What do we still have in there? Just a little tag that says blessed. Okay. Little tree, a skinny tree. Let's see, we have anything with a back that we can use. There we go. I'm going to show you something with a solid back. Little flower. Farmer's market. You're invited to the farmer's market today, tomorrow. Fresh fruit and veg. Grateful hearts. It's pretty. Just for you. Blessings. All day. I really do like that. Like rainbow print. Lovely. Full day. Autumn skies and pumpkin pies. Autumn blessings. Gather. Fruit, you're so sweet. Aww, fruit farm. Love of a full heart. Full is here. Let's see, what's this one? Hello, dear friend. Cute for card. Grateful heart. Memories. Thanks. Hello, sweet. These are cute for cards. Leaf. So very grateful. I have lots of these. Pumpkins, I really do like that. Full is my favorite. Thankful, grateful, blessed. I like all the different size differences in this ephemera. Nice variety. Hello. Ticket, good for one. Entrance to autumn market. Fresh food, games, family fun, and good homemade goods. Beautiful autumn, and that's like a little frame. And the last one, if I can pick it up, Happy Fall. But this is a pretty big one. I really do like their size differences in these, bigger to small. Really, really cute. Alright, so that's the ephemera. I'll leave that loose, that'll be okay. We're going to go to the paper. And see, now the paper, of course, will probably be the same as the paperback, just larger prints, but I'm excited to see it because that paper is beautiful. So that rainbow leaf page. Now this is Echo Park, I know I'm close, sorry. Echo Park Carta Bella. So the Carta Bella paper has a different feel to it. It's a little thicker. But this is the stickers. Full is my favorite. It coordinates with all the other ones. You'll see kind of some duplicating, which I like because then you're able to pop dot, like you can stick the foam stickers on top, or you can, here, look, I'll show you how, like the chipboard here, this chipboard top one, give thanks. You can kind of stick the sticker down and then you can kind of pop dot up and kind of layer things and just kind of give extra depth. I do like how they do that. Very cute. Alright. So yeah, so the Carta Bella paper, I don't know if you can see the texture and this really, what sunlight's hitting you. Can you see that? Like grainy texture. Carta Bella paper is very, very thick and has a grainy texture to it. It's beautiful. So on this side, at least, I love it. And then the leaves. Look at that. See, you're gonna have to definitely go for full drive to get some leaf pictures. Beautiful. Green flowers, green with flowers. And then on the back side we have some little journal cards. Autumn is here. Happy fall with happy hearts. We gather together. Pumpkins 25 cents. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. Happy fall, y'all. Grateful hearts, thankful, grateful, blessed. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Cute. I like that. But so far I'm not going to use that with that. Maybe a scrap of it, but I love that. Love, love, love. And the leaves. And thankful, grateful, blessed, autumn leaves, pumpkins, please. Those are really cute. These are cute just to cut out and have little embellishments. Happy fall with a little squirrel. Cute. Hay rides. Chocolate. Cute. Colored leaves. Apples. Harvest. Nice. And then on the back side we have Hello Fall. Give thanks in all things. Oh, this is going to be tough because these are cute. Just enjoy all of the lovely fall days. Just enjoy it. That's going to be tough because those are cute. And yet the other side. That's gonna be tough. But I guess I could, well, unless these would be really great borders. That's gonna be tough to decide whether I want to use the words for borders or use the title cards. That's gonna be a tough one. That's cute. Acorns and the little bushels of fruit. I really like this color. And the flip side. Really cute. This is tough. Tough when they have such cute paper on both sides. Decisions to make. Pies and the leaves. Here's that really pretty rainbow paper. That's, I think, my favorite. It's so pretty. So pretty. And that'll be really neat with the border. Show it because it will run across the colors either way. Really pretty. Oh, and of course, look at that. The title cards on the back. Ah, no. Pumpkins, scarves, colored leaves, apples, harvest, pumpkin pie, hot hayrides, chocolate fuzzy sweaters, not chocolate fuzzy, crisp air, home sweet home, you're invited, farmers market, sweater weather, better together, friends, you're Friday, Friendsgiving, cute. But I think I love full most of all. It's pretty. I love full. That one's cute. But I guess if I did some borders, it'd still be some cards. Tough. What to do? What to see? And then this one. Adorable. I love it. So that is it. Everything that came in my very first September Echo Park Club box. Very happy with that. I'm excited to start creating with it. I have some ideas of things I'm going to do with it. So I can't wait to play with it. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you subscribe to this Echo Park Club? What do you think? Did you like it? I can't wait to play with it. These were the projects that they have for it. They have like this little tag, Hello Autumn tag. They have the layout up here. It's kind of cute. Then they have this mini tag album, which I do really like. I like how it has the different size tags. Good idea. I might have to play around with that. Cute. So, on the back side, it just had a whole bunch of ideas. Little gift box. And the full instructions and supplies go to this website. Cute. So cute. What do you think? I can't wait to play. Have a great Monday, guys.